Hi, today I want to show you the second part of the how to place a 3D object on your photo. If you haven't seen the first part, go to the watch the first part first. In this video, I want to show you how to download an existing 3D object. So because I don't expect you to create your own 3D object. So because this video is a tutorial for 2D artists, so you don't want to worry about creating 3D model. There's a one website I know, maybe there are more. That's a Blend Swap. It's quite good. You can find a lot of 3D object for Blender, so you can select by category, or so they are sorted by category. And in this video I want to show you with a dog. So I go to search a dog, and I'm going to take this one. Most of them are in Creative Commons license. So I already downloaded the blend file. Here is my Blender software already open. As you can see, I already mapped the perspective of my photo. And now I'm going to the 3D view. Yeah, now this one is from the camera view, and I can make it opacity higher so I can see the photo. I already downloaded the file. Now go to File and Append. This is my blend file. If you click on it, you will see a lot of different things. What we need to load is the objects. Because I don't know exactly what they are, I simply select all of them by pressing A. And I'm sure I don't need another camera, so I just press Shift and click, unselect the camera. So then load all of them. As you can see, you can't see anything. So because my dog, where's my dog? My dog is so big. It's somewhere in the middle. Here is my camera. So I need to move my dog in front of the camera. So go to camera view again. Oh, that's a huge dog. And go to the top view. Press S to scale it. Make it smaller. So you can see the dog is here. I can move around in my 3D space. Now there's a problem because there are so many components. They are not grouped as a single object. In case you unselect it and you want to select the whole, each single part of the dog is really difficult. So you can use B with the select box and select the dog. So that's the way you make sure you select all the parts of the dog, because otherwise if I unselect it, I just select the body of the dog and move it. You can see there's something not moving here. Just undo it, use the box, select the dog. Now go to camera view. I'm going to move the dog further. Go to top view and press R and Z, rotate it on the Z axis. Go to the top view and rotate the dog again. Press 5. Oh, there's another problem because the background image is distracting me. I should, if the background image appears in each single view, you can go to the property panel and go to background image And here he's saying all views. That's not what we want. We just want it in the camera view. Now it's gone in the top view. The background image is gone. Go back to camera view. The background image is there. That's what we want. I'm not going to repeat each single command I'm doing, since you have seen the part 1 already. I assume you know how to rotate and scale. That's some basic operation in Blender. That's the only thing you need. Now the dog is there, and if I press F12 to render, you can see there's the dog, and you can see somehow there's a shadow look very strange, because if you go to the outliner, you can see there's one object. There's no eye icon, mean you can it's hidden. Currently it's hidden, but the camera icon means it will be rendered. So it's not cannot be seen in the 3D view, but it will be rendered. If I click on the eye, and you can see there's a big background plane, and that's where the dog casts its shadow. But that's not what we want. So let me select the plane and press delete. Now there's the background plane is gone. If I render again, you will see that the dog hasn't got a shadow. So in this video, I don't want to do the details how to create shadow. Maybe if I got time, I'm going to make another video to show how to create the shadow. So we assume we got some diffuse light and there's no big shadow, so just ignore the shadow for the moment. What I want to show you is how to add the lamp for the lighting. In general, just press Shift A to add something, and at the bottom you can see there's a lamp, and there's sunlight. Maybe I can try with sunlight. So click sunlight. There's sunlight here. We can move it here. That's a light we already got, the default light. At the moment the light is on the floor. Move it higher. What I want to show you in this video is if you go to you can see in my original photo there's a little bit reflection here. You can see my legs here. So of course then we are expecting that there's a reflection of the dog as well. Of course in the 3D program you can do any kind of reflection, but we don't want to do it such complicated. We just want to fake it, and we can do it in GIMP later on. What I want to show you is you can select the dog and duplicate it by pressing Shift D and enter. Now if the duplicate dog is selected, press M. You can move to another layer. That's the first layer. I move it to the second layer. At the moment you can view layer 2 here, layer 1. They won't be different because the dog is just duplicated. In order to fake the reflection, we just mirror the second dog. Now the dog in the second layer is selected. I am going to select Object, Mirror, and see Global. Now you can see the dog is rotated or mirrored. Press Enter. Accepted. Now I'm going to select the first layer as well by pressing Shift. Click. Then now you can see two dogs. The second layer, the one in the second layer, one in the first layer. Now I'm going to move the second dog down, just exactly under the first dog. And you can see if you go to the first layer, you can see there's a dog. Second layer, there's a dog just underneath. Now what we want to do is, of course, theoretically, you have to mirror the light source as well, but at the moment we don't want to worry about that one. We just fake it and try to do the best in game. So if you go to second layer and render the dog, it's very dark because the sunlight is not there. Now we go to first layer, select the sunlight here, and go to the object panel and press shift and select the second layer. So that which means your light will appear in the first layer and the second layer. Now if I go to the second layer and render, now it's much brighter. You can see there's the dog underneath. I just noticed my sunlight is pointing to the floor. What the sunlight is just like any other object. Use R to rotate it, and now we'll point the light to the dog, and just have a look from the top. Yeah, that's not too bad. Just rotate a little bit, pointing to the dog, and try render. That's too bright. What we have to do is to change the power of the light. Go to here to the panel. There's a energy. You can change it. Let's try 0.7 and render again. That's not too bad, but I'm not going to go to the details, but you can play around with those parameters. Okay, now we have created two layers, and one for the dog and one for the reflection of the dog. I'm going to export them as two different PNG files, and I'm not going to show it here. You can refer it back to my previous video. Make sure you render it with 100% and save it with the iFile channel in PNG format. In next video, I'm going to show you how to put the two images into GIMP. Thank you for watching. Bye.